My name is Jakov Kalinic. I'm a third-year grad student. At Atlas, I'm doing analysis right now. My analysis will be on forward dijets. And at Compass, I was working on hardware, and we built a drift chamber here at Illinois and shipped it over to CERN, so I participated in that whole project. A drift chamber is a detector, which it's a gas detector used for tracking. So we assembled one here. It's a 3 by 3 meter detector, and so it was implemented in the large area spectrometer in Compass, and it was designed to achieve, and it did achieve 200 micrometer position resolution. Our group did, even before I arrived, they already started doing the prototyping. But then we built everything besides the electronics. So the electronics was done in another university, but we assembled all the hardware, all the wires, and the design was partially done. It was improved on a previous version. So yeah, so almost all the work was done by our group. At NPL, we call it the barn. We have a lot of really cool tools. So we can do a lot of work in-house instead of contracting it out to other companies, which is usually really, really expensive. And we have really good engineers. So you get experience in building detectors and in hardware and even the software side of like low-level stuff, which is, I think, beneficial. So whether you want to stay in academia or go to industry, it's useful everywhere. And it's also, I think it's interesting to do, because if you only do analysis and software, you kind of never grasp what's going on really at the detector. So I think it's useful to do this kind of low-level hardware stuff, because you understand like what's going on when you're actually doing analysis a little better. I used to be a computer science major before I switched to physics, so I really like computing, and I like the challenges that you have that physics presents to you. So, and then it's really interesting to be able to study something at a very fundamental level. I don't think you can do that very often, and it's interesting to be able to look at to take these problems that are very low level, very fundamental, and see the challenges they present to you from every kind of standpoint, and to kind of try to tackle them.